Welcome, here I've got Nokia XR20 and I'm gonna show you how to manage camera watermarks at this device. So let's start by tapping on the camera button to open it, and for now we are on standard photo mode. From here let's go to the left corner button to open the advanced camera settings. Now we have to slide a little bit down to photo category. At the last position here we have watermark option, so let's pick it. Here we are. As you can see, we have many things we can manage here, so let me start with the first one option, personal message watermark. Tap here to add a personal message. Let's do it, and now we can write here our own watermark, for example hard reset. Now let's tap OK to agree to this, and here in the preview at the picture in the left corner at the bottom we can see how the hard reset watermark looks like with the date in second line. Now let's slide a little bit. As you can see here we have many options, so we can pick how our watermark should look like. I think this is really cool. We can add this with have a nice day, photograph, without, in different fonts, so it's really pro. Now let's stay for example on this one and let's slide up. For a while let me keep this turned off, so by using the button from the right here we can turn it on and off as we need. And let's move to information watermark with device name. Also by using the button from the right here we can turn it on and off as we need, and when we have it turned on and when we want to add only the device name watermark, we can pick between two options, the standard Nokia XR20 or with Nokia XR20 with photograph. Now let's turn on again personal message watermark, and here when we have turned on these two options together we can see that we have hard reset with Nokia XR20 watermark together connected with this few options. So I think this is also really cool, and it changes here in the preview. Now let me, for example, keep turned on this one and let's take a picture to see it on the real photo. Now let's move to the right, to the button that follows us straight to the gallery. So as you can see the picture is not perfect, but we can see in the left corner at the bottom this watermark. We can get closer to it, hard reset with Nokia XR20. And of course we can change this by going back to the camera, left corner settings, sliding down to the photo category and tapping to watermark. You can pick here whatever you need. Now let me turn off these watermarks and slide down, because we have here also one extra thing, personalized image. Here when we tap on it we can prepare our own personalized image to add this to our picture. So when we tap to next and got it, you can upload it from your gallery. So this is only an example, I don't have prepared my own image, but when we give it the random, it is appearing here also. So this is how to manage all of these settings. Have fun with that. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.